Welcome to Top Best Picks. The Best Bath Bombs is probably one of the most underrated self-care products for men. Often perceived as a feminine indulgence, bath bombs offer a fantastic way to unwind and elevate your bath time. From vibrant colors and invigorating scents to skin-softening properties, these fizzy treats provide a spa-like experience in the comfort of your own bathroom, making them a must-try for any man seeking relaxation and a touch of luxury. Number 5. Body Restore Eucalyptus Shower Steamers 15-pack. These aromatherapy shower steamers dissolve in your shower, releasing essential oils. They are perfect for deep relaxation and stress relief. This is a great gift for anyone. This set lasts longer than typical shower steamers. It's a must-have for anyone who wants to restore and relax naturally. It is ideal for self-care or as a thoughtful gift. Melt away the day's stress with these relaxing shower bombs. They are great for anyone who needs a little extra care. This is a perfect way to unwind after a long day. Compact and convenient, these steamers are travel must-haves for on-the-go relaxation. They are easy to pack and use anywhere. This is perfect for college students or anyone who travels. Spoil your loved ones with thoughtful gifts. It is ideal for any occasion. This is the ultimate choice for spa gifts and stress relief. What we like. These shower steamers are infused with eucalyptus essential oils, offering a refreshing and invigorating experience. They are designed to help you wash away stress and fatigue. If you are looking for a convenient way to relax and rejuvenate, especially while traveling, this is a great choice. What people say. These shower steamers are amazing. The eucalyptus scent is strong, in the best way, instantly transforming your shower into a relaxing, spa-like escape. They release a refreshing eucalyptus and mint aroma that instantly turns your shower into a relaxing spa. Each one lasts through the entire shower, and they come individually wrapped to keep them fresh. Number 4. Body Restore Lavender Shower Steamers 15-pack. These lavender-scented shower steamers are infused with natural essential oils. They offer relaxing nighttime support, making them perfect gifts for anyone who needs to unwind. This set provides a lasting, luxurious home spa experience. It's a must-have for anyone seeking natural relaxation and is ideal for various gift-giving occasions. Melt away the day's stress with these relaxing shower bombs. They are a great way to unwind and de-stress after a long day. These self-care bath bombs are compact and convenient travel essentials. They are perfect for on-the-go relaxation, ensuring you can unwind wherever you are. Spoil your loved ones with these thoughtful gifts. They are ideal for various occasions, showing you care. It's the ultimate choice for spa and stress relief gifts. What we like. Infused with lavender essential oils, this product is perfect for promoting relaxation and restful sleep. It's also a great travel companion. If you are looking for a way to unwind after a long day or need help with sleep, it is a perfect choice. What people say. They are made from natural ingredients, ensuring a gentle and safe experience for all skin types. The steamers dissolve slowly, providing a long-lasting aromatic effect throughout the shower. The scent was very strong, filled my bathroom with an aromatic atmosphere. Number 3. Lagunamoon Bath Bombs Gift Set. This luxurious bath bomb set includes 25 extra-large bath bombs and 3 bubble bars. Each one is made with high-quality essential oils and moisturizers. It will leave your skin feeling incredibly soft and refreshed. Unlike other bath bombs, these won't stain your tub or skin. They are designed to dissolve completely, leaving no sticky residue behind. You can enjoy a clean and relaxing bath experience. Discover 25 unique scents, including honeysuckle, jasmine, and coconut vanilla. Each bath bomb is individually wrapped and labeled. The elegant box makes it a perfect gift for anyone. These bath bombs are enriched with shea butter, coconut oil, and sunflower seed oil. These natural hydrators will soothe your skin. You'll feel the difference after just one use. This set is beautifully packaged and environmentally friendly. It's the ideal gift for Valentine's Day, Mother's Day, or any special occasion. It's a thoughtful present for anyone who deserves a little pampering. We are committed to providing the best service. If you're not satisfied with your purchase, we'll make sure you're taken care of. Your satisfaction is our top priority. What we like. This set includes 25 bath bombs and bubble bars with a variety of playful scents. They are made with natural hydrators like shea butter and coconut oil. If you like having options and want to experience a luxurious, skin-soothing bath, you should consider this. What people say. They smell great. They do change the color of the water, which is good. And my skin actually feels a lot softer and cleaner after a soak, compared to a shower. Number 2. USA-made bath bombs gift set. These bath bombs are proudly made in the USA. They are crafted with care in small batches, ensuring premium quality for your relaxation. They are made from high-quality essential oils, shea butter, Epsom salt, cocoa butter, and other premium ingredients. It's a luxurious treat for your skin. These bath bombs use only the cleanest natural ingredients. You can enjoy a relaxing bath without the worry of artificial dyes or fragrances. It will not stain your tub. These bath bombs make the perfect spa gifts for any occasion. It's a thoughtful gift for women, birthdays, or just to show you care. Each bath bomb is individually wrapped to preserve freshness and quality. This set brings a touch of luxury to every bath experience. What we like. Proudly made in the USA with natural and organic ingredients, these bath bombs offer a pure and gentle soak, free from artificial dyes and fragrances. If you have sensitive skin or prefer a more natural approach to bath time, this is a great option. What people say. Wrapped individually, packaging is great, and they smell amazing. The moisturizing effect it left on my skin, and the Leaping Bunny certification. These are very nice quality bath bombs with lovely scents that make the bath water smell amazing. Number 1. Shower Steamers Eucalyptus, Aromatherapy gift. These shower steamers are handmade in the USA with clean and natural ingredients. You can trust the quality and enjoy a refreshing experience. Transform your shower into a relaxing retreat. The invigorating aromas uplift your senses, making every shower a spa-like experience. Enjoy long aromatic showers. This product is generously sized to dissolve slowly, providing a lasting and enjoyable experience. With beneficial eucalyptus essential oils and no artificial colors, you won't have to worry about stains. It's pure relaxation and aromatherapy. Packaged beautifully, it makes an ideal gift for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion. Give the gift of relaxation and well-being. What we like. These shower steamers are handmade in the USA with natural ingredients, offering a revitalizing aromatherapy experience. They are designed to dissolve slowly, providing a long-lasting aroma. If you enjoy the benefits of aromatherapy and want a convenient, long-lasting experience, you should consider this. What people say. Quality and effective. Best gift for shower and eucalyptus lovers. These tablets in the shower make a huge difference. First of all, they make my bathroom smell like a spa, and secondly really helps my breathing. The scent is relatively strong, which I love, and lasts about 2 showers. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.